So hi everyone, thanks for dropping by the channel this week. And I'm going to be taking a little bit of a hiatus, nothing really long, maybe 2 weeks. And I've got some great things planned and I hope you like them. The first one I'm going to be working on is Fujifilm's OIS system for its lenses. Not for the cameras, you know, the IBIS that's in the cameras, but the OIS that's in the lenses, because it's extraordinary and it really works well. I'm going to be doing a product review for a piece of hardware that I got that really works really great. I know you guys would really like it because it has to do with editing your pictures on your computer here. That's really it for this week, and I'll see you in a couple of weeks when I get done with maybe taking a little bit of time to get my creative juices flowing again and do some more private work. You know, what I want to do is go out and shoot some photographs, and maybe I'll do a little bit of walking and talking type of thing while I'm out shooting the video. But shooting the photographs that I really like to take. And one of the things that I'm going to do when we come back in a couple of weeks is I'm going to be showing you how I process my black and white conversions. And I don't think it's that much different from a lot of people, but I'll give you a tip. It really involves Silver Efex Pro 2, which is the free version, not the Silver Efex Pro 3, which is the paid version from you know, the Nick collection. It's like $149, and I'll tell you, it's really well worth it. But if you don't want to spend that kind of money, I'm sure you can find somebody to be willing to give you the free version that was on Google for a long time for free. So that's it for this week, and we'll catch you next time.